Welcome to today's video. My name is Christian Schepers. I would like to introduce you now the Stethophon 04. The Stethophon 04 is ideally suited for locating water leaks in heating and plumbing installations in buildings. It can also be used to check the house services line when replacing the water meter. The set includes the receiver Stethophon 04 itself. Its small and compact design makes it a lightweight one-hand receiver. The Stethophon 04 is battery operated and has a minimum operating time of 8 hours. The battery cover is on the back. The integrated microphone capsule picks up the noise. A contact adapter with an integrated magnet and a tip are also included in the set for optimal contact with fittings or lines. The leak noises are transmitted wirelessly from the Stethophon 04 to the F8 wireless headphones. The EM35 microphone is optionally available. This can be easily connected to the Stethophon 04 by cable. With the resonance plate screwed on, leak noises can be localized on floors in buildings. Inaccessible places can also be checked thanks to a probe tip extension and a long probe tip. The set either can be stored in a sturdy case or in an upholstered carrying bag. The Stethophon 04 is a compact and small one-hand receiver for water leak detection in buildings.